Generous with salt and pepper. My name is Lauren Iannotti. I'm the editor-in-chief and content director of Rachael Everyday magazine. One of the coolest parts about my job is that no 2 days are the same. One day we're in the test kitchen working on a bunch of recipes.
That's really good.
The next day we're in a photo studio shooting Rachael Ray. We just want to carry out Rachael's vision. She is a really accessible person. She makes great content. And I just love the message that she brings to her audience, which is just, I'm going to help you incorporate all these great cooking ideas and great tips into your everyday life. Do they share the interior decorating? To put it together an issue from start to finish, it takes months and months and months. There's a lot of brainstorming that goes on. Children and puppies, please. We pull a lot of inspiration. I show it to Rachael. She'll say yes, no, and she knows exactly what she wants. She's very decisive, but she's very open to collaborating creatively. It is a very long and very fun process. For 30-Minute Meal Story, which is Rachael's baby, we get the recipes really early. She's always on time with her deadline. She's amazing. And once the recipes are tested, we then plan our photo shoot.
This is an indoor-outdoor pillow.
This is our prop closet. This is where we keep everything that we have internally that we're going to use in a photo shoot, and then we additionally call in stuff from out of house. We have the greatest food photographers and food stylists who are literally the people who will make things look really, really cool. Mind you, we're not trying to make them look perfect. We're trying to make them look like a beautiful mess. That's really our brand. It looks full and nice. It's great. And then we start to put together our layouts. We pull together photography, the writing, all the materials together, and then we have a print product that goes out.
Lauren's brought a Rachael Ray bag, thank you. And she's got some, what is this, food trends or cool things that you want to put in the magazine?
As you know, like part of my job is to test out new foods. We get sent all of these new products by amazing companies. So we're just kind of constantly eating. It's a pretty good job. So I thought I'd bring some of the things that we're the most excited about that are going to be in grocery stores that I think
and hopefully in the magazine.
And they're in the magazine. This stuff we've written about, you're going to see it, and you're going to gobble it right up. And the first one that I want to gobble up, you're not so much into sweets, but I am a chocoholic, and this is called dark milk chocolate. And what it is, it's amazing.
How do you have dark milk chocolate?
So it's basically a combination. It's the Goldilocks of chocolates, I like to call it. It's halfway between dark and milk, pretty much a combination of the two, so you get all the nice kind of richness of dark chocolate and all the flavonoids and all the good stuff. But there's milk in it and some sugar just to kind of ease it up a little, so it's sweet and dark, and it's wonderful. And go out and get it.
There you go.
Next up is, all right, so I'm psyched about cauliflower. I've told you this, like, it's my desert island food, and it's because there's so many ways.
If you were on a desert island and the person with you is only living on any cruciferous vegetable, you want to be as far away from them as possible.
No, but
because the trade winds are coming out of her.
I get you. I hear you. However, there are 100 different things you can do with cauliflower, right? You can make a different thing every single day.
I make
you're gonna be on the island for a while.
Alfredo sauce out of cauliflower, pizza crust, as we've seen, out of cauliflower.
It's rice. It's pizza crust. The rice is amazing. You can use it for...
I did not know they had pizza crust that was like already done.
It's already done, but it doesn't have stuff on it. And so go to your grocery store and get that. It's flavor neutral. You can put any kind of toppings on it. Get the plain one and put your toppings on it, because then you can decide what you want to go on
I know she has a magazine too, but I think Oprah, Oh So Good, her food line, she has a cauliflower pizza right now too.
She's doing a lot with cauliflower too, so you know it's good. And cauliflower rice, it swaps in for rice of any kind. You can use it under in stir fries, under sauces. We just do it with some pancetta and some olive oil and cook it right up. Oh, and you can use it as a base for chowders.
Yeah, I love that. Lauren and I are that kind of person that, oh, okay, we're eating cauliflower instead of rice, but we're going to cook it up with some bacon and some fat. Yeah.
Maybe we can get some heavy cream involved. That's how we do. And the last one I'm super excited about is seaweed. So, you know, you've probably seen those nori sheets in the grocery store. Those are the flat
used for wrapping,
for making sushi, and very poorly at home. If you ever try it, if you're me. But now what's happening is if you go to the sort of the Asian or the foreign food section of your grocery store, right next to all the soy sauces, there are going to be different kinds of nori. Nori for cooking. You can use it in stews and soups. They use it for, in Japan, you know, where they make a million kinds of seaweed, and it's got names like wakame and kombu. They use it as the base for miso soup. These are the base for ramen, which is one of my favorites.
Yeah, you can use it stock. It's beautiful.
And it's that umami flavor. It's that salty amino acid mouth deliciousness that it adds. And so you can throw it in when you're making a stock. Or
it adds depth of flavor. It's just amazing.
You know.